Good evening, students. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. I hope you all are doing great. Okay, students. So, as you, these are the free coaching classes on for Tsrjc and Polycet exams 2025. Okay. And our today's topic is today's subject is English. Okay, so let us start with English today. Okay. All right. Students, English carries 50 marks in all the subjects. Okay. In all the exams, as you should know this. So English is very, very important subject. So you have to go through English very thoroughly. Okay. So let us do today direct and indirect speech. Okay. So we will understand what is direct speech, what is the indirect speech, how we can identify the sentences, what is the difference between them, and then we will do some questions also related to it. So I hope all are ready. Quickly give me a thumbs up in the chat box. We can start section. Students, chat section is open for you. Please make the session interactive, and if you have any queries, please let me know in the chat box. We can discuss that. All right. Okay. Let's start the class. Okay, as you can see, there are, you can say children. Two boys are there, and the name of the boys are Ravi and Shiv. Okay, the two boys are there, and they will be conversation between them. Okay, we will understand that how in our general conversation, whatever we speak, what is the direct one and what one is the indirect one. Okay. So there will be two type of speeches that we will discuss through this conversation. Let's start. Okay. Ravi is saying to Shiv, I won the match. Okay. First, he said hi, and then he told Shiv basically that Ravi the match. Okay. Now, Shiv can tell what Ravi said in two ways. Okay, direct speech and direct speech. Now, this conversation, whatever Ravi has said, he can, this Shiv has listened, and now he can tell to someone else in two ways. There are two ways of telling him. First is direct speech, and another one is indirect speech. What direct speech means, like he will say, like he is saying to Bhaskar, okay, Ravi said, I won the match. So Shiv will say, as it is Ravi has told him. His statement was match, right? So what Shiv will tell Bhaskar that Ravi said, I won the match. Okay. Now, this is one speech, one method of telling. Okay, this is known as direct speech. Okay, as it is, whatever the sentence has been, delivered, as it is, you are telling to someone else. That is the direct speech. Okay. Now, another one. What another way? What can be the another way that you will tell? That Ravi said that he won the match. Okay, this is indirect speech. Now, there is a slight difference if you all can observe. This direct speech, I won the match. Just a second, students. Okay. Now, I won the match. This was exactly said by Ravi to Shiv, and he did not change any word, any letter. And the same way he told to Bhaskar that Ravi said, I won the match. This is the direct speech. But what is indirect speech? There is a slight difference. Now this Shiv told to Bhaskar in a manner like Ravi said that he won the match. Okay. Now we have added one, you can say subject over here. That is, he won the match. This is the another way of telling. This is indirect speech. Understood? Next, let us consider another example. Okay. Like Ravi said to Shiv that, hi Shiv, I'm happy. Okay. He said that, Shiv, I'm happy. Now, Shiv can tell what Ravi said in two ways, direct and indirect speech. As I already told you, in direct speech, what Shiv will tell to Bhaskar, Ravi said, I am happy. Direct speech. Another way is, Ravi said that he won, that he was happy. Okay. Now here, this present tense will change to past tense. Okay. We have added two words extra, that is that he. Okay. Now the sentence is completely changed. Ravi said that he was happy. So this is indirect speech. Okay. Next example, students. I hope you all are understanding this. But in case if you are not getting anything, please let me know in the chat box, students. Okay. If you're not understanding, please let me know. Next sentence. Like Ravi said to Shiv that, hi Shiv, I am sick. Now this hi Shiv, we are just neglecting. We are just considering the main sentence, that is, I am sick. Ravi said to Shiv, I am sick. What he will tell to Bhaskar, again two methods are there, direct speech and indirect speech. In direct method, he will say, Ravi said, I am sick. Okay. In indirect speech, he will say that Ravi said that he was sick. Okay. Now, tenses are also changing, students. Okay. Focus over here. One more example, like Ravi said to Shiv, I did not do the homework. Okay, now Bhaskar will tell again, Shiv will tell to Bhaskar in two methods. One is direct one, that Ravi said, I did not do the homework, direct speech. Okay. Now, indirect speech, what he will say? Ravi said that he did not do the homework. Okay. Again, this is indirect speech. Another example, I am happy now. This Ravi said to Shiv. Now he will tell to Bhaskar. In direct speech, he will say, Ravi said, I am happy now. And in indirect speech, what he will say? That Ravi said that he was happy then. Now will change to then. Past tense. All right, students. So here we are changing the past. That is why am has changed to was, now has changed to then. Understood? Okay. Now one question sentence also. Okay. Ravi asked Shiv. Okay. Voice is not clear. Uh, those who are not able to hear my voice, please check your internet connection, students. Okay. Next one is like Ravi said to, he asked to Shiv. Okay, now this is a question statement that we are going to discuss here. He asked to Shiv that, are you happy? Okay, this is a question statement. Now this, how Shiv will tell to Bhaskar in direct speech. He will say, Ravi said, are you happy? Same. Direct speech, same. Okay. Indirect speech, what he will say? Ravi asked. Now said will change to asked because this is a question statement. Then that he is asking to Shivna that, are you happy? That is why said will change to asked. Understood? In indirect speech. Asked whom? Asked to Shiv. So he will not take his own name. What he will say? He will say, Ravi asked me if I was happy. Okay. So this is indirect speech. Understood, students? Whenever there is a question statement, you will you will replace said with inquire or ask. Okay? And tenses you will see, and according to that, you will, use the form of the word. Understood? So this is how ask indicates that it was a question in indirect speech. Another good word for asked is inquired. Okay, do not get confused. Okay, now there is a future statement also. Let's discuss that as well. Uh, Ravi said to Shiv, I will do tomorrow. Okay. Now in direct speech, the same thing Ravi said, I will do tomorrow. He will tell to Bhaskar. Shiv will tell to Bhaskar, Ravi said, I will do tomorrow. But in indirect speech, what he will say? In indirect speech, he will say like, Ravi said that he will do the next day. Tomorrow will change to next day. Okay. These are the key points, students. Please make a note of all these things. Okay. Next. Again, this is a future statement. Like I will do tomorrow. And the same thing is there, direct. Okay, the same is there. There is some problem, students. Just give me 1 second. All right. Okay. Now let us do some questions, students. Okay. Now you will get 30 seconds to answer the question and you can type your answers in the chat box. I hope you all have understood what is the difference between direct speech and indirect speech. And if anyone has any queries related to it, please let me know right now. I'll explain it again. Hurry up, students. If you have any queries, please let me know. I'll explain you again. And if not, then please drop a thumbs up in the chat box so that we can move ahead. Okay, students, I'm moving ahead with the question. Okay. First question is like, I said I came here yesterday. Okay, now 4 options are there and you have to change the speech direct into indirect one. Okay, so first one is like, what will be the correct answer? I said that I came here that day, or I said that go here yesterday, or I said that I had come there the previous day, or I say that I went there the previous day. As I told you, whenever we are changing from direct to indirect, we are also changing the sentences. Tomorrow becomes the next day. Okay. Then yesterday will become the previous day. And the correct answer, as you can see for this question, will be, I said that I come there the previous day. Now, here will also change to there. Okay. You have to do these sentences very carefully. Now will change to then. Here will change to there. So these are fine things you must know. Okay. All right. Similarly, we have another one. Like he said, the government is writing letters. Okay. The four options are there. In this, students, as you all can see, the answers are already mentioned before you. So let us discuss the sentences. You need not to, but still, if these answers can be wrong also. If anyone know the right answer, please let me know. Okay. And if you have any confusion also, let me know. I'll explain that as well. The answers are already mentioned before you, but I'm still explaining because these are the theory classes. Okay. Okay. So you have to change into indirect speech. And the sentence before you is like, he said, the government is writing letters. Okay. What will be the correct form of the direct speech? He said that the government was writing letters. Okay. As I told you, present tense will change to past tense. So before, because here is there, is will change to was. Yes. One conjunction will be used over here. That is that. Okay. So he said that the government was writing letters. Okay, B is the right answer amongst the options. Okay, next one, next sentence we have that is, he said, I have passed the examinations. Okay, and your options are given like he said that he had passed the examinations. Okay, second option is there. He announced that he has passed the examination. Then option C is also there. He said that he had to pass the examinations. And option D is also there. He said that he passed the examinations. Okay, four options are given, students. Now focus. Option number one is saying he said that he had passed the examination. Option B is saying he announced that he has passed the examination. Very slight difference. Okay. Object is also there. Conjunction is also used over here. Just let me change the color. That object or conjunction here also we have in this sentence also. Okay. Because he has passed the examination, this can be an announcement as well. Okay. So said can be replaced with announced also. Okay. Why option B is not the correct answer? Can anyone tell me? Why option A is the correct answer? Hurry up, students. Why option A is the correct answer? I am asking you all. Why not B? Okay, Nikita is saying verb difference. Yes, you are absolutely correct. Verb difference is there. He has passed the examination and he had passed the examination. There is a difference of tense. Okay, that is why. Has means it is again going to the present tense, right? And he had passed the examination. It is telling that someone has told this sentence. So option A will be the correct answer. Understood? Yes, I will change to he because this is the indirect speech. Okay. Next sentence. He said to me. Okay. It has been raining heavily and you cannot go. Okay, students, this is the sentence. And options are there. She told me that it had been raining heavily and I could not go. Okay. Next sentence is there. She told me that it was raining heavily and I could not go. Option C. She told me that it has been raining heavily and I could not go. Or is it option D? She told me that it is raining heavily and I could not go. They are saying option A is the right answer. But I am asking you all students why option A is the right answer. Quickly give me the reason, students, why option A is the right answer. Why not other options? Hurry up. Yes, A is the correct, but why not other? Can change into could. Raju is saying can change into could. Lucky is saying present to past. Okay, let me tell you. First of all, she said to me, again said has changed to told. First difference, but told is there in every sentence, right? She told me that it had been raining heavily and I could not go. A is the right answer due to this. Tense change. Okay? Has will change to had. Understood? That is why this will not be correct. Okay? It is raining. Present again. This will also be not correct. She told me that it was raining. No, was will also not come. If has is given, then it will change into had. If is given in the sentence, in the direct speech, it will change into was. Okay, that is why only option A is the right answer. Next question. John said to me, where have you been last night? Okay. And your options are given like John asked me, where had I been the previous night? Option number B, John asked me, where I have been the previous night. Okay. Option C, John asked me, where I am the previous night. Or is it option number D, John asked me where I had been the previous night. Okay. As you can see, you all can see that option D is marked as the correct answer. Yes. Sridhar is saying that option D. Yes, option D is the right answer. But students, you have to tell me the reason. Why option D is the right answer? Why not other options? Absolutely correct. Have changed into had. Babu Reddy, Lucky Reddy. You both are correct. Have has changed into had. Okay. That is why option D will be the correct one. Okay. Now convert direct speech from direct to indirect or indirect to direct. Okay. This you all have to convert and then tell me. The question is, he said, Ravi, why are you sounding so depressed today? And your options are number 1, he asked Ravi, why did he sound so depressed that day? Option number 2, he asked Ravi why he was sounding so depressed that day. Option number 3, he told Ravi why he sounded so depressed today. Or is it option number 4, he asked Ravi that why was he sounding so depressed that day? Quickly write your answers in the chat box, students. What will be the correct answer? You have to convert from direct to indirect or indirect to direct. You have only 30 seconds, students. He said, Ravi, why are you sounding so depressed today? Okay, students, the correct answer for this question is option number 4. Okay, he asked Ravi that why was he sounding so depressed that day? R will change to was. Okay, so option number 4 is the right answer. Lucky, Jaya, Srinitya, you all are correct. All those who have selected option 4, you all are correct, students. Well done. Next question. He asked me, what time will sun set tomorrow? And your options are number 1, he asked me, what time does the sun set the next day? Option number 2, he asked me, what time the sun would set tomorrow? Option number 3, he asked me what time the sun would set the next day. Or is it option number 4, he asked me what time would the sun set the next day. Quickly drop your answers in the chat box, students. Your 30 seconds have already started. He asked me, what time will the sun set tomorrow? You have to convert the direct speech into indirect speech. Which one is the right answer? Quick, students, hurry up. Okay, your 30 seconds are over. Let's reveal the correct answer. That is option number 3. He asked me what time the sun would set the next day. Okay, will change to would. Okay, and tomorrow will change to the next day. Understood? So the correct answer will be, he asked me what time the sun would set the next day. Sridhar and Kadri. Okay, Tirupati, Nirja. You all are correct. All those who have selected option number 3, you all are correct. I cannot take everyone's name, but those who have selected option number 3, you all are correct. Okay, option 4 is also the right answer. It is the same option, students. It has been repeated. He asked me what time the sun would set the next day. He asked me what time the sun... okay. No, answer option 4 will not be there. Why? Let me clear this to you. There is a grammatical error, students. There is a grammatical error in the fourth statement. He asked me, what time would the sun set? Okay. This is not the correct form of, grammar. Like you can say sentence. The correct form will be, he asked me what time the sun would set, not would the sun set. Okay. This is grammatical statement. That is why this will be not the correct answer. The correct answer is option number 3. Understood, students? So those who have selected option number 3, you all are correct. Next question. Tinu, where have you been all these days? Asked the principal. Okay. And your options are, number 1, the principal asked Tinu where he had been all those days. And option number 2, the principal asked Tinu where he has been all those days. Option number 3, the principal asked Tinu where had he been all those days. Or is it option number 4, the principal asked to Tinu where was he all those days? Okay. There, I'll tell you once again. Do not worry. First answer this question, then I'll come back to that question as well. I'll explain you. Quick, students. Which one will be the correct answer? Here, you have to change from direct to indirect. Okay, students, I'm revealing the correct answer. That is option number 3. In all answers, have the change into had. Yes. If it is have, then it will change into had. If it is has, then it will change into had. See, present tense, if there in the sentence, then it will change into past tense. Or if it is future tense also, then you have to adjust the tenses according to the requirement. Okay, and for this statement, for this question, the option number 3 will be the right answer. Okay, Nija, you are correct. Why not 1? Okay, Jaya, please focus. The same thing is there in the previous sentence also. I'll come back to that, but this also I'm explaining. See, the principal asked Tinu where he had been all those days. And the principal asked Tinu where had he been all those days. You all are asking why not 1? Why only 3 is the right? Because there is a grammatical error in option number 1. What is the grammatical error I am telling you? See, the principal asked Tinu where, this is a question word, okay? He had will not be there. After question word, we will always replace helping verb first, then subject. This is a grammatical rule of framing a sentence. Okay. That is why option number 1 is the wrong one and option number 3 is the right answer. Okay, understood? Similarly, in this also, he asked me what time will the sun set tomorrow? Why not option 4 is the correct answer? Because there is a subject, okay, the sun, and after that there is the helping verb, that is would. Then we have object, said the next day. Here the subject place is not appropriate. That is why this is not the correct way of framing a sentence. Be it a question sentence also, no matter, but if there is a grammatical error, if there is the problem in the framing of the sentences, then that option will not be correct. Understood? Whenever we frame any sentence, we have to keep in mind, first there should be subject. If this is a question subject, then question word or WH word, then subject, then helping verb, then your main verb, and then you have to adjust the object. This is the grammatical rule of framing a sentence. That is why over here, option number 1 is wrong and option number 3 is the right one, because there is a difference in the framing of the sentences. Understood? Okay, next question. He says, I go for a walk every morning. And your options are, he says that he goes for a walk every morning. He said that he used to go for a walk every morning. Option number 3, he said that he goes for a walk every morning. Or is it option number 4, he says he went for a walk every morning? What will be the correct answer? Change the sentence from direct to indirect. He says, I go for a walk every morning. What will be the correct option amongst the 4 options given? Okay. Students, I'm revealing the correct answer. Your time is over. The correct answer is option number 1. Okay, those who have selected option number 1, you all are correct. Now let me explain you this again. He says means this is his general sentence. That is why over here in this, he says will remain safe. Okay. I go for a walk every morning. Conjunction we are using that will remain same. That I will change into he, and go will change into goes, because this is his general statement. Over here only it has been told that he says. He says means always he says the same thing, that he goes for a walk every morning. Okay, so option 1 will be the right answer. No, go will not change into went, because here we are not changing from present to past. This is his general statement or his regular statement. That is why says will remain says only. It will not become said, and go will change from go to goes. Okay. Next question. The principal said, why didn't you attend the flag hoisting hoisting ceremony, Anuj? Okay. The principal said, why didn't you attend the flag hoisting ceremony, Anuj? And your options are, number 1, principal asked Anuj, why hadn't he attended the flag hoisting ceremony? Option number 2, principal asked Anuj why he hadn't attended the flag hoisting ceremony. Option number 3, the principal asked Anuj why didn't he attend the flag hoisting ceremony? Or is it option number 4, the principal asked Anuj why he didn't attend the flag hoisting ceremony. Uh, Between the options, please go through the options thoroughly and write your answers in the chat box. Okay. I'm revealing the correct answer, students. That is option number 2. The principal asked Anuj why he hadn't attended the flag hoisting ceremony. And at the end, there will be a question mark. Not question mark will not be there. Okay, one more thing I want to tell you. If this is a question sentence in direct speech, in indirect speech, it becomes a affirmative sentence. Okay. So we do not need to put the question mark at the end. Instead, we will end with the full stop. Okay, students, this is also one point that you should note. You all must know this. Okay, moving ahead, students. I said to him, where have you lost the pen I brought for you yesterday? And your options are number 1, I asked him where he had lost the pen I had brought him yesterday. Option number 2, I asked him where he had lost the pen I have brought for him the previous day. Or is it option number 3, I asked him where he had lost the pen I had brought for him the previous day? Or is it option number 4, I asked him where had he lost the pen I had brought him previously? Select the appropriate answer, students. Okay. All right, students. The correct answer is option number 3. And yes, you all are correct. Those who have selected option 3 is the right answer. Okay. Next question. He said, has anybody been unkind to you? And your options are number 1. He asked me if anybody had been unkind to me. Option number 2. He asked me, had anybody been unkind to me? Option number 3. He asked me if anybody had been unkind to me. Or is it option number 4? He asked me if anybody had been unkind to me. Quickly write your answers in the chat box. quick. All right, students. The correct answer for this question is option number one. Okay. He asked me if anybody had been unkind to me. Okay. So all those who have selected option number one, you all are correct. Well done. All right, students. That's all for today's class. But we will meet super soon with the new upcoming topics and new upcoming classes as well. So stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe our channel, that is Jatadhara Educational Technology. All right. Thanks for watching. Thank you.